Rainy afternoon mga kaibigan at nandito tayo sa shop. Magtatattoo tayo. Hinihintay na lang natin yung balat. At yeah, I have prepared my things na kailangan gamitin. Meron pang iba, so just do this. Let's go. This one. Lalagay yun sa hips. Stay. Stay. So we're gonna prepare now. This time, i-stencil na natin yung design para ilalapat na lang natin pagdating ni client. So let's go! So we're gonna start stenciling the design. So, yun, tapos na yung ating design. Stencil na natin, ayan. Just, siya yung magpapatattoo. Hi!
Hello.
Say hi to the vlog, guys. Guys, ano? Sabihin nyo, hi!
Hi!
Ayun, okay. Salamat.
What made you decide to do this right now?
Well, I've been thinking about it for a while. I've wanted to get one on my thigh since like high school. And I'm old enough now, and I'm here, and we happen to know that guy over there. So, why not?
Is this your first tattoo?
No, it's my second tattoo.
So,
Dan doesn't like my first one.
Show it.
It was a last-minute decision, so this one is a little more thoughtful. You know, we put some thought into planning it. We were coordinating with the artist over there as to what I wanted, how long I wanted it, how thick I wanted the lines. So
Okay. What is the Tagalog of tattoo?
Tato. Ano ba? Ano ba talaga? Tato.
The next question. Tagalog of ink.
Ink? Ballpen. Hindi ko alam.
Ano ba? Alright, ang Tagalog ng ink ay ballpen.
Ano ba dapat? Ang dami nung inside jokes tulad ng
Tinta.
ibon. Hindi ko alam yun.
Tinta.
I'm up here, bro.
Okay, so why is your accent like that? Where are you from?
I'm from California.
And why are you here?
To get a tattoo.
Yeah.
Obviously.
You went to the Philippines from
Just to get a
California to see
tattoo.
this guy?
Yep. He's very well known where I'm from. And I just had booked a flight, came here, met my guy Dan. He's gonna do my tattoo, and yeah.
Ikaw, anong papel niyo dito?
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Show.
So, tapos na natin i-transfer yung design. Nakalagay na sa balat. Ipakita nyo.
Show it how it looks.
Tingin nyo.
What?
What do you think,
I
guys?
can't see
Comment
it.
down below.
Oo nga. Comment nyo nga kung gusto nyo din ng...
Are you ready? Message mo sa artist mo before mag-start.
Please don't fuck up.
So, fucker.
I trust you. I'll try not to move. I'll try my best.
Okay,
So,
we're ready.
we're gonna start. 5:20. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Wait, time check. 6 p.m. And nakakaisang flower na si Dan.
Kunti na lang. Alright guys, now we're done with our lining. So ito yung lining, ayun siya. Okay na okay naman siya. Okay ka lang ba?
Okay naman.
Yeah. Masakit ba? Cut lang. So ito yung line.
1 hour and a half later.
Yeah. So yung lining natin is 1.5 hours. So tingnan natin kung gaano katagal yung details and shading. So magre-ready lang ako. 3, 2, 1! Baliktad. 3, 2, 1. Go! So nakaka 3 hours na tayo at ito na yung progress natin. Ayan. Matatapos na yan. Malapit na. Konti na lang. Okay ka pa ba?
Yes.
Alright. Sige. Kaya may pahinga ka lang. So I'll give you some B-roll kung anong nangyayari. Let's go.
A few inches later.
Oh yeah!
Napapaiyak na ako.
So,
Thanks.
how are you feeling right now?
I feel dead.
So, after how many hours?
Almost 5.
Almost
Like,
5 hours.
4 hours and like 40 minutes, right? Like around that time.
So ayun, tapos na yung yung 5-hour session natin today, almost 5 hours. So ito yung kinalabasan. Ayan. Ayan na, yes. Tapos ito yung babaeng walang reaction. Wala man lang reaction.
Anong walang reaction?
Wala naman ah.
Yes, excited po ako.
Yes,
Tapos na.
Tapos na po. So, oras na para magpicturean. Tapos may nakikiano doon ah. Magpipicture na tayo. So ito na, let's go.
Please rate your experience.
I think it was a lot better than my first time. The first time was very impulsive. This was a little more thoughtful, which I appreciated. Alright, y'all, make sure you check out Classic Home Tattoo Studio. They have a really great artist, pan to this guy. Kudos to you. I had a great experience and I would come back for a next tattoo.
Boom! So, tapos na tayo sa lahat ng ating gagawin. Cheng, thank you, Cheng. Bumalik ka talaga dyan sa Bumalik ka talaga dyan sa pwestong yan. And salamat, Nicole. Salamat sa'yo. Meron akong tanong pala. Meron ka bang YouTube channel?
I don't. I do have an Instagram though. Follow me. It's Mari Carl Meta. That's my name.
Okay. Ayan, ililink ko yan sa baba. Gusto mo bang ilink kita sa baba?
At cheese balls.
Ilalagay ko yan sa baba. Ikaw? Hindi. Ay,
Madami
sige.
na daw siyang followers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Salamat sa inyong tatlo kayong lahat. Yes!
Thank you po.
Bilangin ng baba.
Saan galing? Saan ka galing? Dumayo ka pa galing saan?
California.
Oh, pumunta lang yan dito para magpatato. Ikaw din, pumunta ka na dito para magpatato. Diba? So, ihatid ko lang sila sa labas kasi baka hindi nila alam kung paano mo.
Bakit gusto mo pa sila isama?
Alright, so tapos na tayo sa ating session today. Malolobat na ako. Bago pa tayo malobat, magpapasalamat na ako. Salamat! Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, huwag mo kalilimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin mo na din yung bell button para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. At alam mo na, magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na upload. Bye! Kita-kita tayo sa susunod na upload. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-upload ako, panonoorin mo yon para magkita tayo ulit, ha? Okay. Sige, bye!